you there should start a YouTube channel right now, as this is a great opportunity for you to actually start your own channel and create the kind of content you think you like and you enjoy doing, and also earn from there as well. So guys, hi, I am Rimon Ghosh and welcome back to my channel, and do stick with me until the end for some more tips on how to grow your channel, and please do subscribe to my channel for some more content just like this. So let's get started. So now let's go and find out what are the things that you should keep in mind while you're starting out on your YouTube channel. So let's get to it. So first is that don't always make big investments in your first start out. Like if you're just starting out on your YouTube channel, don't always think that you need a lot of expensive gears in order to start your YouTube channel, as you don't need a lot of expensive things like expensive mics, expensive cameras, expensive like a fancy looking studio. Don't actually need all of these things, as YouTube has always meant about good, unique and creative content, and it will always be like that. So you just need a good enough smartphone, which has, like, nowadays all of the smartphones have really good mics and cameras. So I am also actually shooting this from my smartphone's front camera, so it is quite good, as I feel it is good. So yeah, you should keep this in mind. So second point is that you guys should know that you are not the only one who has this thought of starting a YouTube channel. There are a number of people all around who have this thought of starting a YouTube channel. Like there are a number of people who actually have thought that yes, now is the time I'm going to start my YouTube channel. I'm going to crush everyone with some great content. So you can obviously see that there is a lot of competition all around, and you will have to create something unique which is a bit out of the box and which will make your channel and your video stand out. So by that you'll get more views, more subscribers, and you will probably hit the sweet spot, the YouTube partner program, from which you can earn as well. So if you really want to go that far, then you will obviously have to work hard and think what kind of content you should probably create. So third point is that you should actually sit down and think that what kind of content you should probably create, as don't start out in a hurry, as we all know that everyone is in lockdown, so you have loads of time to actually think what kind of content you should make. You can also go and search that what kind of content is a bit less in YouTube, and you can actually make some content on that, and you can obviously get some views as well. So you can do that, as just sit down and think what kind of content you like, what kind of content you can give your best on, and start with that. So here comes point number 4. Don't use a lot of transitions and animations in your videos, as people don't actually like a lot of flashy stuff. They want a simple video which they will understand. Also, there is a thing which a lot of guys are confused about: how much long our videos should be. So the simple answer is how long it needs to be. If you can simply summarize all points and make the viewers understand in just 2 minutes, be it so. Don't actually feel that making a smaller video is something bad, as if your viewers are understanding, it's good for you. So last but not the least, point number 5, start this as a hobby, as I have seen a lot of young boys and girls who start their own YouTube channels, and after that they are so much engrossed in their own channels that they hamper their studies and they don't do it at all. So I would say that you start this as a hobby, and as your channel steadily grows, you spend a bit of more time on your channel in order to optimize your channel, in order to get more views and subscribers. And then if you really think that your subscribers have grown a lot and you actually want to make this as your main work, then spend as much time you want on this. So yeah. So guys, wait, I have some few more tips for you on how to grow your channel, and if you yet haven't subscribed to my channel, come on, just go and subscribe to it, and let's get started. So guys who have just started out on their YouTube channel, and you guys have just started your own channel, these tips are especially for you. So first tip is that make some content on trending topics, that is going to increase your views and your subscribers also. So second tip is that use tags in your videos. That is a very essential part in helping you to get views and more subscribers and increase your watch times in order to get the sweet spot YouTube partner program. So yes, a lot of guys actually are confused about what are tags. They think that hashtags are tags, but that is not the entire truth. As you guys can see, that only a maximum of 3 hashtags are accepted in YouTube, and those are the ones that are highlighted. So tags are something else, as you can add somewhere around 500 tags. So yes, that was it. So the third tip is for those who have just started out their channels, as make your videos in the range of 4 to 6 minutes, as most of the people will actually not see your entire video. They'll just skip through the parts and see the main things. So do this, and then steadily, as your channel grows, increase that time, as that is going to help you a lot. So guys, those were the 3 tips on how to grow your channel, and thank you so much. If you do like my content, please do subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next video.